welcome. Today we are going to learn how to do a foundation-less double crochet. So let's get started. For this tutorial, I am going to be using 3.5mm crochet hook. So let us start by making a slip knot first. As double crochet takes up 2 chains of length, we are going to chain 2 and 1 extra. So 1, 2 and 3 chains. There you go. Now yarn over and insert your hook into the first chain space and yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops on our hook. So here's the trick. We are going to yarn over but not make the whole, we're not going to complete the double crochet stitch. Instead, we are going to pull through only first loop, and then we're going to yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. That makes our one foundation-less double crochet. Now let's do that again. Yarn over, insert hook into the base chain of the previous double crochet. You have to find that base chain, go into the both loops of that chain, make sure you have all the strands of that yarn. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through the first loop only, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Again, yarn over, go into the base chain of the previous double crochet, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 loops, then yarn over, pull through the first loop only, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. I think this is the best way to start any project because you don't have to worry about getting the gauge wrong, and you get the V-shaped chain at the bottom as well. I am going to make a few more stitches here just to show you how a row of this would look like. So pull through 2, pull through 2, you have a complete double crochet. Just follow along. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like, and share the video. Thank you. This is how it looks like. We have all the double crochets there, and to move up a row we're going to chain 2 as we normally would and turn our work. So let's see how it looks. We have that chain at the bottom. It's a complete chain. We have both loops and all the stitches above it. Continue working on the second row as we normally would. This is how we do a foundation-less double crochet. This was Nevermind, and I'll see you guys in the next video.